So today, the 9th day of December, we are going to open door number 9 on the 12-day Arteza Art Supply calendar. Guys, happy December 9th. So we are getting ready to open door number 9 on this calendar. So if you are new, I've been opening a different door every day and we are almost done. We've only got 3 more days left in this calendar. I am waiting to hear back from Arteza regarding the 24-day calendar. It's been 2 days now. I'm kind of starting to doubt their customer support, but I'll poke them again. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. So far in this calendar, on day 1, we got a small pad of acrylic paper. On day 2, we received a round synthetic acrylic brush. On day 3, we received a tube of scarlet red acrylic paint. On day 3, we received a tube of yellow-green acrylic paint. I wonder if you guys are starting to see a trend here. On day, right, that's day 5. Oh, confused myself. So on day 5, we received a tube of pearl sapphire blue acrylic paint. On day 6, we got a tube of pearl rose acrylic paint. And on day 8, we received 3 small wood slices to paint upon. So I wonder if you guys are noticing a trend here. Let's go ahead and open day 9. I've started to notice that doors of a certain size tend to contain a certain art supply. And most of these days did come with an art challenge, but I am going to be doing the art challenge in the back half. Oh, look, y'all, we got a treat. We also received, they still don't know how to use these ribbons. We also received for day 9 a tube of titanium white acrylic, 3 stars of light fastness, fully opaque, contains PW6. So let us count the, I missed a day. It was hiding. On day 7, we got something actually kind of interesting. We got a small silver pen of, it's their acrylic paint pen. So that I was actually excited about. To be honest, I was kind of hoping we would see more of their acrylic paint pens and less of their acrylics, because as I found out when I did my big Arteza metallic art kit, I don't really care for their tube acrylics very much. They're just not particularly great acrylics. They don't handle the way you would cut. They don't have the body that you would expect acrylics to have. So, you know, you can have acrylic in a lot of forms. You can have acrylic ink, you can have acrylic pens, you can have a thicker body acrylic. This calendar is very tube acrylic focused, which is kind of a bummer. So day 9 says, acrylic paint tube, titanium white. Let it snow. Paint your own snow angel with your new titanium white acrylic paint tube. We're eager to see your take on today's snowy challenge. Don't forget to tag your work with hashtag Arteza Holidays on social media. So, not a bad challenge, kind of a cute one. Would have been cuter when I lived in Nashville. I currently live in Louisiana, and let me show you guys what the weather is like outside. While the sky is gray and a little bit ominous because we're due for rain, it's like in the 80s outside. Welcome to Christmas in Louisiana. A little too hot to be eating soup. So I misspoke a little bit earlier when I said we only had 3 days left. We should have technically 3 days left now. We should have day 10 tomorrow, which looks like a tube of acrylic. Day 11, which is a little more promising. I'm hoping for another acrylic marker, maybe in black. And then day 12, which is probably another acrylic marker, if we're being honest. So we've got 3 more days on this Arteza Art Supply calendar. I hope you guys will join me for them. It's been fun sharing different art, well, not really different, they're all acrylics. Adoring another art supply every day. And I just enjoyed sharing this with you guys. And cross your fingers that we get the 24-day calendar thing figured out, that Arteza responds to me, that it comes in time, because I would really love to share that with you guys as well. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 10 of our Arteza art supply calendar.